Sermon number 25. When his officers were overpowered by Muawiyah's men. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Nothing is left to me but kufa which I can hold and extend, which is in my hand to play with. A kufa, if this is your condition that whirlwinds continue blowing through you, then Allah may destroy you. Then he illustrated with the verse of a poet. By your good father's life, I have received only a small bit of fat from this pot, fat that remains sticking to it after it has been emptied. Then he continued, I have been informed that Bossa has overpowered Yemen. By Allah, I have begun thinking about these people that they would shortly snatch away the whole country through their unity on their wrong and your disunity, from your own right, and separation. Your disobedience of your Imam in matters of right and their obedience to their leader in matters of wrong, their fulfillment of the trust in favor of their master and your betrayal, their good work in their cities and your mischief. Even if I give you charge of a wooden bowl, I fear you would run away with its handle. Am I Allah? They are disgusted of me and I am disgusted of them. They are weary of me and I am weary of them. Change them for me with better ones and change me for them with worse one. Am I Allah? Melt their hearts as salt melts in water. By Allah, I wish I had only 1,000 horsemen of Banu Firaz ibn Ghanam, as the poet says. If you call them, the horsemen would come to you like the summer cloud.